Hi, it's El Macho. Today we'll be making some tasty carrot muffins. Let's start. You will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of shredded carrots. First, you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Oh, and it's conveniently already up 350, so I guess we'll just wait. First, you're going to want to get 1.5 cups of flour and put it in your bowl. So this is 1 cup. Kind of get it, even it out, like that. That's 1 cup. And this is a half? Yes, it is. And that's 1.5 cups. Next, you get 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. So this is 1 teaspoon here. We'll move over here to do it. Just sprinkle. Put that in there. And now we'll get our other half. And next we get half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'll just get the half teaspoon and our ground cinnamon. Just take not enough at the first one, but that's okay. It's actually pretty good. And that's our cinnamon. Next, we get a half a teaspoon of salt. And this seems pretty good. Yes. Next, you get 3/4 cup of sugar. So this is a 1/4 cup. That's 1/4. Just 2/4. And 3. And now we mix. So you get your stirring spatula here. Just kind of get all the ingredients together that we have so far. Now it's time to crack 2 eggs and beat them. Yeah, that seems good. Let's put that over there. And that's 2. And now we beat them. Kind of get the fork. Stir it up, just get the yolks kind of. Stir them around a bit. Oh, a bit more. And this seems pretty good. And now we add it to our mixture. This is our first wet ingredient here. Gonna get it all around like that. And now we add our vegetable oil. This is half a cup here. And we just pour it right in. And now we get 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is a teaspoon, yes it is. Just give that. Should have put the bowl closer. That seems pretty good. And now we mix. You can make sure to get all the stuff together and scrape off the edges. Make sure everything is in. And now we grate 1.5 cups of carrots. After a while of grating, we now have 1.5 cups of carrots. Let's add them. Here's one. And here's a half. And now we mix. And now we put the stuff in the pan. It's a bit much. A little bit at a time. Put a bit more. Okay. I think that's one. And I'll do the rest of them. Once the batter's in the pan, you put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Now that they're out of the oven, let's give them a try. Let's eat. Those are really good. This is great. You should try these. These are amazing. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog. As always, I'll put the recipe in the description below, and I'll see you next time.